Alright, so we've got our first group of 48 here, and what I did up at the top is I made sure they were all lined up like a pack of cigarettes, not one wire across another, etc. So once we have our reference point, I use a zip tie to hold it in place on a 90. Now this bundle needs to traverse this way and then jot across this, but it's easier to dress down, like I was saying. And a lot of times you can use a little screwdriver to help pull out some of the diver wires that are hidden back in there. So, Phoenix, let's try to get a close-up here and show what I'm doing. I'm just going one wire at a time. We're making sure it's straight all the way down. So it looks good. Now, this is my looser zip, so I'm going to slide that down just a smidgen at a time. And then I can use another zip tie up above that, because this one's going down. So I can kind of tighten these up as I go. And I like to squeeze it with my hands, get a nice round fill to it. I'm going to slide this down a little bit more. I'm looking all the way in the back. Everything lines up 1 to 1. Top, bottom. Everything's good. Everything's good. On this side. Okay, slide that down. And grab another zip or another piece of Velcro and put it on here. The reason the customers or your company doesn't really like to use too many zip ties is, number one, it's not a standard for TIA, EIA, and the Velcro is. But the zip ties seem to hold the bundle together and it keeps it formed. It's like putting something in a mold. After a while it's going to keep that form. So we're just going to keep on dressing here. And you can see how relatively fast this is going. Now I'm going to use my screwdriver over here. I got this little diver. I'm not trying to puncture the cable, but you can see you could use it to go all the way down and kind of separate out the tangle. And that's about it.